Hello, guys. So, in last week, I heard someone saying that uh, she's living her life. Like, for me, that comment was meant for me. And for one whole week, I was thinking about it, like what that person meant to say that I'm loving my life. And then I was having a question mark in my mind that whether I am actually loving my life, or is it just the way I'm showing on social media that I'm loving my life. Then I got the answer, so I would like to share that answer with you guys. So okay, I have shifted to a new place recently, and it has been 6 months. And to be honest, I am in my 30s. I am 30-year-old right now. And one point which I realized, there are several points which I realized when that person said that I am loving my life, and I scrutinized that thing, and I thought that how I am loving my life and why it is reflected in such a way, was that I have no boundaries. And when I say I have no boundaries, it doesn't mean that I am allowed to do something. No. Please understand the difference between whether you are allowed to do or you are free to do. Okay. I am not saying that I am allowed to do something. I am saying that I am free to do whatever I want to. Whether I want to wear clothes, what kind of clothes where I want to wear, what kind of food which I want to eat, at what time I want to eat. Okay, my life is not circle around taking care of others right now. Right? I am married. Okay. I have my family. I have my maternal family. Okay. I have my mother, father. I have my mother-in-law, father-in-law. Until now, when I was working for 4 years as an academician, my morning used to start with the thought that what should I cook for them, or what should I cook for me, for as a quick lunch which I can have in the university, and several things. Okay, I was working also, and I was taking care of my health. I was trying to take care of my health. But now, to be honest, when I realized the fact that staying alone for 6 months, okay, I am enjoying. Initially, I was missing my family. I was missing the place where I belong to, that is India. But now, after 6 months, I have realized that I got so much of time to work on myself unknowingly. I started to do those things which I never thought of doing for myself, like waking up in the morning, don't panicking, don't thinking of what to make for the whole day. I started to read book. I started to drink what I want to. My diet was totally focused on me, my what I actually like, not thinking the matter of fact that what that person will be eating. Okay, this might sound selfish, but trust me, it's not selfish. When you start living your life on your condition, okay, you be happy. It reflects that you are loving your life. It reflects your mental health. It reflects your physical health. When you are healthy, when you are happy, you automatically make yourself, your surrounding healthy. And that vibes, okay, that aura will help or will impact on your loved ones also. That doesn't mean that when I'm saying that I started to eat what I want to eat, that doesn't mean that I'm ignoring the fact that my husband or my mother-in-law wanted to eat this thing. No. But when I kept myself on the top priority, I became healthy. Okay, I became happy in my life. I had enough time, or I was also making them happy. Right? This might seem confusing, okay, but I have lived this life for 6 months, and I'm definitely sure that you guys should also do that. Okay, just unknowingly, just stop thinking about what other wants. And when I say other, it can be your husband, it can be your friend, it can be your parents, it can be your brother, sister, anything, any person or any partner of yours. First, keep yourself in the priority. Think what you want in that particular moment. Do that, okay. Once you are done with that, think about what the other person will need. If you are okay balancing in both the things, it's good, it's well. If you are okay balancing in the happiness of others, if you are okay thinking that okay, that person wants to eat that, so I will also eat that, once in a while is fine, right? I am not saying that every time you should keep yourself in the priority. Okay, once in a while, for love, or yeah, for love you ate something which your partner wants, which your parents want, okay, but not, do not do that for longer time period. If you prioritize yourself, just do it for more than 20 days, and you will feel so relaxed. Okay, you will, your concentration will increase, you will start working in a qualitative manner, right? I always wanted to be fit. Okay, I was always worried about my stomach fat, my belly fat, right? Then what I did, again unknowingly, I started to walk, which I used to do before I was working as an academician. So in my young age, I used to walk a lot every single night, which suddenly stopped because of my work, because I was working early in the morning for the whole day, and in the night I was so exhausted that the only thing which I will see is was my bed. So almost for 4 years I stopped that habit. Here again I had the chance of walking. I will walk to the university because the atmosphere is good. Okay. The heat is less. In India it used to be so much of heat. Okay. So I am walking, I am eating healthy, I'm eating whatever I want to eat, right? Which is suitable to my diet, because I have some disease. So I have particular diet. So when I started doing all those things, after 6 months, it has been 6 months of doing things unknowingly which I like, I am reflecting that energy, the positive energy. Whenever you will see me, the people who are surrounding me, the people who are my friends, they feel positivity, they feel warmth from me. But to radiate that warmth, first you need to energize yourself. And how you can energize yourself? By loving yourself, right? So yeah, I do agree on that point, that that person who said that I'm loving my life, I am loving my life, and I am not regretting the fact that I have kept myself on the priority. I am not regretting the fact that I am doing all the things which I wanted to do, not because I am allowed to do, okay, but because I am free to do. It might impact, it might affect your loved ones. They might not be happy at one point, because they might think that whatever you are doing is not good. They might think that it might affect you negatively, but you yourself, please feel it. You do it, you feel it. If you will feel it negative, if you will feel that thing, you will cope up in a better manner from that aspect. If someone else will say that okay, you are doing this, so it will affect you in a bad manner, your mind is constructed in such a way, your thinking is constructed in such a way that you want, that you might accept it 50% but not totally. But once you will observe that, you will definitely not repeat that mistake again. So it's okay to make mistakes, it's okay to prioritize yourself, if you want to love your life, and if you want your loved ones to be happy around you. So yeah, that was it for today's video, and I'm going to continue this kind of videos. I will uh, tell them under the section statements for happy life, like statements to follow for happy life. I might name it like that. And if you like this kind of video, please show me some interest by liking the video, by commenting it. If you have any topics in your mind for which I should be discussing on, or should I give comments on it, I am happy to do that. Okay. So okay, we'll meet you in the next video. Have a nice day.